In today's video, I will walk you through how to add options to Shopify products. To begin, go to Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and click on Products. This section contains all of the products available in your store. Next, find the specific product that you want to update. If you have a large number of products, you can use the search function to quickly locate the one you need. Once you find the product, click on it to open its details page. After the product page opens, scroll down until you reach the variants section. This is where you'll be able to add options to your product. In this section, look for the option labeled Add Options like size or color and click on it. This will open the area where you can create product options. You will see a field called Option Name. In this field, enter the name of the option you want to add. For example, if you're offering different colors for a product, enter color as the option name. Once you've entered the option name, move to the Option Values section. Here, enter the choices you want customers to select from. If you're creating a color option, you can enter values such as red, blue, and green. If you want to add another type of option, click Add Another Option. This allows you to create an additional option for the same product. For example, you can create a size option. Enter size in the option name field, and then add values such as small, medium, and large. Continue adding any options and values you want your product to have. Once all of your options have been entered, take a moment to review everything and make sure the names and values are correct. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Done to confirm the options you created. After that, click Save to update the product and apply the new options to your store. Once the product is saved, the options you added will be available on that product, allowing customers to choose from the values you've configured. That's all it takes to add options to Shopify products. By creating options and values for your products, you can offer different selections and keep your product listings organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.